326 Corvette.
327 4-speed.
Gee, it goes well, doesn't it?
Exceptional.
It's got a nice pickup, considering it's a 327 small block V8. Like, it really... And it rides nicely, doesn't it, for a Corvette?
It's surprisingly well balanced.
Yeah.
Steers and stops, and it's a poverty pack, so it's no power steering, no power brakes,
Yeah.
no power anything, but it steers and stops exceptionally.
Yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. Love the instrument panel. That's just such a nice design, isn't it?
It's funny how a C2 seems to drive exceptionally well, yet a C3 is not a comfortable car at all.
I think that's right. I've actually not been in one of these before, a C2 Corvette. And like this ride though, I think, because those C3s, they can like remove the fillings from your teeth, can't they?
Yeah, exactly right. And there's a lot of headroom. We're not on top of each other.
That's right. Actually, that's a good point. There's heaps of headroom. Yeah, loving the vertical radio too. That's really cool.
It's just,
it sounds good, doesn't it?
The style of it is just magnificent.
Yeah, it sounds really cool. Really nice car. Beautiful. Very comfortable.
Yeah.
And like you say, plenty of room. That's a really nice car. Love it. It's really cool.
It's such an enjoy to drive.
It is. I could see that if you were buying one of these brand new in the day, you went for a test drive, you would just sign on the dotted line, wouldn't you?
Yep.
Yeah, I love it. I really like it. What are you doing? You're selling this car, are you? No, you're keeping it. It's one of yours.
Going home to the garage.
Yeah, I think it's definitely something you want to keep.
The thing I like about it is it's actually been 3 different colours. The paintwork is terrible.
Yeah, but you don't care.
You can drive it anywhere you like and leave it.
Yeah.
It's not something you're worried about.
Yeah.
It's just fun.
Yeah, I love it. I think it's terrific. Oh, thanks for sharing it, David.
My pleasure.
Yep, love it. Yeah, really cool. So it's had, what, 3 coats of paint?
It was originally maroon, then it was blue, and then it was black.
Okay, maroon, blue, then black. But just a nice driver quality car, and goes like the clappers, and rides really well. And as Dave said, like the room inside, plenty of room inside, and just a pleasure to ride in. Yeah, I'd thoroughly endorse anybody who's looking to buy one of these C2 Corvette Stingrays. Grab one, because gee, they're a nice car. Much more comfortable than I expected. So anyway, thought I'd just give you a quick little grab of that 66 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more old car videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.